Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be working on tying into the irrigation line that I brought up to the garden a few weeks back, and tying a line from there and running it out to closer to the shop where I'll put a spigot and then build a kind of a garden bench with a sink so that I've got water closer to the shop. You know, we've got those flower boxes under the windows there. They need to be watered. And of course, once I ultimately put power in the shop, you know, the shop's going to take on different function that may require water. So I want to go ahead and get that infrastructure in now, and that's what I'm working on today. Sam, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Come on now. How you like the new irrigation? Pretty sweet, huh? Yeah, go check it out. It's like a petting zoo around here. Well guys, I was hoping that I'd be able to finish this potting table before I went home today. I've got to finish the video for this week today, but unfortunately I've got to be somewhere in the next 10 minutes and I don't have time to actually finish this table. So I'm going to put on top of this, for the top and the bottom shelf, I'm going to use this 1x6 Alaskan cedar, white cedar. So that'll hang over a little bit, and then I'll put 5 of these across. And then this will serve as a potting bench. I'm going to put this here next to the spigot that I just installed to use sort of as an outdoor table. And then Lisa also wants the same table up in the raised bed garden area that we're developing. So I'll build a second one of these and put that up there. I may do a little back for her so she can hang her garden implements on that and go from there. So anyway, there's Sam, just walked up right behind you. Crazy. He's a member of the family now. Anyhow, I appreciate you guys watching this week's video. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Smash that like button if you enjoyed the video. I'll look forward to seeing you next week.